Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. She never late to school. Option A is the correct answer. Question 2. I playing cricket. Option B is the correct answer. Question 3. The students in the library. Option C is the correct answer. Question 4. He not speak French. Option C is the correct answer. Question 5. We to go now. Option B is the correct answer. Question 6. She dinner when I arrived. Option C is the correct answer. Question 7. They watching TV? Option B is the correct answer. Question 8. He me a letter yesterday. Option B is the correct answer. Question 9. I never seen a lion. Option C is the correct answer. Question 10. We to playing chess. Option A is the correct answer. Question 11. He a great idea. Option A is the correct answer. Question 12. The boys' football yesterday. Option A is the correct answer. Question 13. I'd go to school daily. Option D is the correct answer. Question 14. She working hard for exams. Option A is the correct answer. Question 15. You right. Option B is the correct answer.